Hey guys, so today I am going to be filming probably the biggest makeup challenge that I have ever done, because as you guys know, I make a lot of like makeup-y videos, but I'm not actually like a makeup person. Like, I'm not a beauty guru or anything like that. I'm pretty crap at makeup, but I just make them for a bit of fun. But today I thought I would actually try and do like a full glam makeup look. It's probably not going to look very glam, but I'm going to try my best and just basically go all out. I'm going to do a cut crease, or try to. Winged liner is going to make a comeback. Oh dear. Fake lashes, full on like base makeup. Basically the whole damn lot is going to go on my face. So usually I would start with my foundation, but today I'm going to start by doing my eyebrows and like my eyeshadow and stuff like that. Just thought I'd mix it up a little bit. So I'm not going to talk too much about like the products, but I will leave them all listed in the description box. So if you want to know what I'm using, it will all be listed there, but I'm just going to focus on whacking it on my face really. So brow pomade. They will do. I've kind of gone for quite a like bold dark eyebrow because I thought that would go with what I'm doing. So yeah, that is my eyebrows done. I'm now going to move on to my eyeshadow, which is so weird. I haven't even got anything on my face. Like, I've never done it in this order ever. I need to make like some kind of base for my eyeshadow. So, oh goodness. I'm just putting a bit of powder on top of the concealer just to like set it down so that the eyeshadow actually goes on top. So I think what I'm going to do today is try a little bit of tape. Like, I don't normally do this. Okay, so I'm just going to stick a little bit of this. Oh no, that's too big, isn't it? That's going to take my brow off. Stick a bit of this just... I think that's right. It's very uncomfortable though. It feels like it's kind of in my eyeball, but I don't think it is. Okay, so I am gonna make a start on my eyeshadow. Just put this in my mouth, why not? I need like a light colour. I've gone for this eyeshadow palette, which is by Makeup Revolution. Oh no, it's come off. It just keeps coming off. Do you know what? Screw this. Nah, I don't like it. I feel like it's making it harder because it's in the way. Maybe I put it in the wrong place. Am I supposed to put it lower down maybe? I think that's probably the wrong kind of tape. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it how I normally do it. Okay, so I'm now gonna take a little bit of this colour, I think, and just run that through as well. Okay, so I'm now going to take a bit of concealer and I'm going to try and do that whole like cut crease thing. Like, I've tried this once in a video, but it didn't work at all. It was not a cut crease, but I'm going to try and do it again, and I'm hoping it's going to work this time. So I'm basically going to take a little brush like this that's quite like flat. I'm going to take a bit of my concealer again and just carve out a little like section with concealer. Yeah. Okay, so I've put the concealer on. I feel like it looks all right when I've got my eyes closed, but because I have such hooded eyes, when I open them, I don't know if I've really cut it in like the right place, you know what I mean? Like, oh, I don't know. I'm now gonna take this little palette and I'm gonna take this really pale, like shimmery, champagne-y kind of color and just pop that over the concealer. I've also just given it a little spray with my setting spray, and now I'm gonna try and put it in that little patch. It's a very small patch for me to have to put it on, but let's give it a go. I'm scared. Okay, so that is that on there. I'm now gonna just take a bit of, I think I'm just going to take a really little bit of the dark colour and just really like gently try and blend this bit in with it a bit so it's not so harsh. I think that's what I'm going to do, honestly. At this point, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't think this has gone that well. It's an alright kind of cut crease thing, if you can call it that. I don't know if I've succeeded or not. So I am now going to attempt to add a little bit of eyeliner. I'm going to try and do a bit of winged liner. I am definitely not going to speak whilst I'm doing this. This needs full concentration. Like, this could ruin the whole thing. Like, this could be game over. But honestly, I have not missed you. You're a pain in the arse, but I'm going to give it a go. So that is my wing. As you can see, when I'm looking forward, it does work for hooded eyes because it doesn't have that weird shape to it. It just looks like an ordinary shape. But because my eyes are so hooded, the only way I can get it to do this is by doing it like that. It's like such a big drop, but that is the only way I can get it to like join up straight when my eyes are open. It's not too bad. I'm now going to try and copy it on the other side, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so that one did not go so well. They definitely don't match. They're not the same, but I'm hoping the lashes will kind of cover that up. Let's focus on this one. This one looks so much better. This one just kind of, oh, I don't know what I did wrong. Okay, I think now I'm going to move on to my face makeup, which is nice and easy, like should be a breeze, although I'm saying that it's probably gonna go wrong now. But yeah, I'm gonna do my base makeup, so I need a bit of foundation, and I'm gonna mix together one that's a little bit pale and one that's a little bit dark, so we should make the perfect baby, and it should match me spot on. Okay, so that's a little bit of the lighter one, and then this one's on like a weird, well, it's not weird, it's just on like a what are they called? A spongy applicator thing. So I'm just gonna wipe a few little strokes of this one just in between all of the lighter bits, and then it should all blend together. So I'm covering my face up, aren't I? Like, what's the point in that? You can't even see, jeez. And of course, I'm just gonna take my little sponge and blend it all together. Oh, hang on, I've got to be pretty careful up here now, haven't I? Because I don't wanna ruin anything. God, my brows, I've got to be so careful of the brows, haven't I? Can't be ruining them. Those buggers take a blooming long time. Okay, so I think we are all blended out. So I'm now going to take my concealer and just pop that under my eyes. And I'm just going to settle that into place with a bit of powder. Obviously, like I always do, this isn't any different to my normal stuff, but yeah, I'm just whacking a bit of powder all over my face. So that is my, what have I just done? I've just done my powder, well done. Just done my powder. I'm now gonna take my like bronzer and contoury bits and just kind of do the old contoury thing. I need my contour brush. Where you at? Where you at, mate? Oh, here you are. I feel like this side's looking like a pretty good contour actually. This side I put a little bit too much on. This side's going better, isn't it? Just keep looking. Just keep looking over here, just ignore. Pretend I don't have this side of a face. I'm now just gonna take a bit of the blush from this same palette, apparently in my nail. That's not where I wanted it actually. And I'm just gonna dust a little bit of that on to the apples of my cheeks. Yeah, you know what I mean. Before I move on to highlight, I'm just gonna finish off my eyeshadow quickly. So I'm going to go back in with this big ass palette and I'm gonna take some of the darker colour that I was using before. This one here, there you go. And I'm just gonna run that underneath my eyes a little bit. Why does it look like a different colour now? Ow, ow. Okay, potentially a little bit too much, I don't know, we're gonna leave it there. And yeah, I think that's all I needed to do. Yeah, I'm now just gonna move on to highlighter and I'm just taking my good old fave. I know I'm not saying the product names, but like I said at the start, everything's gonna be linked below. I just think it's quicker than like explaining what everything is. Woohoo! Okay, I think that's enough highlighter. I think I put a bit too much on this side, and because the light isn't on that side as much, it's kind of making that like grey line across my cheek, but when you catch the light you can't see it, but that has kind of ruined it a little bit. This side not so much. Next thing I need to do is put on a little bit of mascara, so I'm just going to quickly do that off camera because it's pretty boring to watch, and then it's lashes time. Oh no. Okay, so I've just put the tiniest bit of mascara on because I'm going to put these lashes on anyway, and I'm going to do my bottom lashes afterwards because I just find that easier. So got some lashes. These are some that I've used before, so they should already be cut down to the right size. I'm going to go and try and stick them on, and I will be back probably in like, why am I looking at, I know I don't wear a watch. I'm going to be back, no. Probably in about half an hour because this is going to take me a bloody long time, but I will return. That was not very fun. I feel like my eyes are almost disappearing because I have such small eyes and I have so much on them. I feel like my eyes are actually disappearing a little bit. Those lashes, This one got glue in my eye, so it started streaming, made an absolute mess, but I think I've sorted it out. This one, can't get the corners to stick down. for the life of me, I've given up. I think it's sort of down, like, you know, it's as down as it's gonna get. So that's my eyes done. The last thing I need to do is my lips. So I think I'm just gonna pop on a bit of this like purpley dark lipstick. I feel like it will go quite well with the eyes. So I'm just gonna pop a little bit of that on, and then I think I'm finally done. Well, that's an absolute mess. Let me try and neaten that up a bit. Oh my god. This was meant to be the easy bit. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. I've kind of like smeared it everywhere now, haven't I? I've got purple all up here. That will do. So I'm done. This is my finished makeup look. Oh my goodness. That was quite a journey, wasn't it? That was quite a journey. Let me get this off because it's giving me a right painful head. My hair's been in a hairband so long I don't really know what's going on with it. What is going on with it? Yeah, it was really fun to just like try out some full glam dramatic kind of makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. It's been quite a transformation. Like if you go back to the start and then look at this, I feel like I look quite different. So make sure you give this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.